When you think DJI has already delivered everything possible in drones, they surprise you again. The DJI Neo 2 is here, and it's not just another small update. It's a serious leap forward in design, performance, and intelligence. This drone is built for both beginners and experienced flyers who want a compact drone with the power of a flagship. The Neo 2 is designed to make flying easier, filming smoother, and creativity limitless. DJI has taken what people loved in their previous drones and added improvements that make it stand out. From smarter flight modes to improved camera quality, this drone feels like a big step forward in the lightweight drone space. The first thing you notice is the design. It looks sleek and futuristic, with a more aerodynamic body. DJI has focused on portability without compromising strength. It's small enough to carry in a backpack, but it feels sturdy and reliable. The arms fold neatly, making it easy to take with you anywhere. Now let's talk about the camera. DJI knows this is the most important feature for many people. The Neo 2 carries an upgraded camera system with a larger sensor compared to its predecessor. This means sharper images, better detail, and improved low-light performance. Even when the sun goes down, you'll notice how well it captures scenes with clarity and vibrant colors. The 4K video recording is stunning. The footage looks smooth and cinematic, and the stabilization technology works flawlessly. Whether you're filming fast action or a calm landscape, the Neo 2 delivers stable, professional quality shots. DJI has included better HDR video processing as well, which makes highlights and shadows look more natural. One of the best improvements is in tracking. DJI's active track system on the Neo 2 is smarter and faster. It can lock onto a subject, predict movements, and keep them in frame even in challenging situations. This makes it perfect for action sports, travel vlogs, or just recording your everyday adventures without worrying about losing the subject. Flight performance is where the Neo 2 really shines. It's responsive, stable, and easy to control. Even beginners will find it smooth to fly. The drone uses updated obstacle avoidance sensors that cover multiple directions, giving you more confidence when flying in tight areas. You don't have to constantly worry about crashing into something. It feels safer and smarter. Battery life is another strong point. DJI has extended the flight time, giving you more minutes in the air compared to the first Neo. This means longer sessions without swapping batteries too often. For content creators, this is a big advantage because it allows more time to capture that perfect shot. The Neo 2 also benefits from improved transmission technology. The connection between the drone and controller feels more solid, even at longer distances. Video feed quality is clearer, with less lag, which makes flying more immersive and reliable. But DJI didn't stop at performance. They also focused on creativity. The Neo 2 comes with new automated flight modes and intelligent features that make capturing cinematic shots easier. For example, quick shots have been improved with smoother movement paths, and new modes give you fresh ways to film without needing professional skills. Another exciting addition is vertical shooting. DJI understands that social media is a big part of content creation today. With vertical video support, the Neo 2 is ready for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts without needing to crop footage later. It saves time and keeps the quality high. The app experience has also been improved. The DJI Fly app now feels more intuitive, with easier editing tools, smarter autosync options, and a cleaner interface. You can edit, add music, and share your videos quickly, which makes the whole process more enjoyable. One area where DJI has focused a lot is safety. The Neo 2 has built-in no-fly zone updates, return-to-home accuracy, and more precise GPS tracking. If you lose signal, the drone quickly and safely finds its way back. For new pilots, this is a huge confidence booster. DJI has also kept the weight of the Neo 2 within a range that makes it easier for people in many countries to fly without strict regulations. It's light but powerful, which gives it the perfect balance for travelers and casual flyers. Now let's talk about image quality in detail. The photos from the Neo 2 look stunning. The larger sensor helps capture more detail, and the dynamic range feels improved. Even in difficult lighting, the images pop with sharpness and balanced colors. DJI has worked on their color science to give a natural but cinematic look. For professionals, RAW photo support is available, which gives more flexibility in post-production. For hobbyists, the standard JPEG images already look fantastic without needing much editing. This makes the drone suitable for a wide audience, from casual users to serious creators. Another highlight is the wind resistance. The Neo 2 handles windy conditions better than many compact drones. It stays stable, and the footage remains smooth even when the environment gets challenging. This makes it more reliable for outdoor adventures. Audio capture has also been improved for those who use DJI's wireless mic accessories. Pairing it with the Neo 2 creates a complete vlogging setup, which is great for creators who want both aerial and ground shots in one seamless workflow. DJI has also thought about the accessories. The Neo 2 works with new carrying cases, ND filters, and charging hubs that make the whole ecosystem feel complete. Everything has been designed to improve the user experience, whether you're filming for fun or working on professional projects. The price point makes it even more interesting. DJI has positioned the Neo 2 in a way that balances performance and affordability. It feels premium, but it's still accessible for many people who want to take their drone game to the next level. What really makes the Neo 2 special is how it combines portability with power. Most compact drones have some compromise, either short flight times, weaker cameras, or fewer features. The Neo 2 manages to bring professional-level tools into a portable body. Every upgrade feels meaningful. Nothing seems added just for marketing. The better flight safety, the smarter tracking, the improved camera, and the longer battery life all add real value for users. It's not just about flying a drone, it's about making the flying experience creative, safe, and enjoyable. When you compare it to its rivals, the Neo 2 stands out for its balance. It's not as bulky as professional drones, but it doesn't feel limited like smaller ones. It's right in the sweet spot where you get the best of both worlds. For travelers, this is a dream drone. You can pack it easily, fly longer, and capture professional shots without carrying heavy equipment. For vloggers, it's the perfect tool to add cinematic aerial footage to your videos. For hobbyists, it's a drone that feels fun but still powerful. And for professionals, it's a reliable backup or secondary drone that can still deliver excellent results. DJI has managed to make a product that fits so many different use cases without losing focus. The DJI Neo 2 proves that drones don't have to be complicated to use or limited in performance. It's a reminder of how far drone technology has come, and how accessible it is becoming for everyone. This drone is more than just an upgrade. It feels like a statement from DJI. A statement that compact drones can be powerful, creative, and safe all at once. If you've been waiting for a drone that blends portability with real performance, the Neo 2 might be exactly what you're looking for. It's the kind of drone that makes you want to fly more often, experiment with new shots, and push your creativity further. DJI has once again raised the bar. The Neo 2 is not just a drone, it's a tool for creators, explorers, and anyone who wants to see the world from a new perspective.